Hi, and welcome to our first video.
This week, the biggest thing we did was Jogging of the Jays. It's one of our biggest fundraisers of the year.
For language arts, we do different genres. And for science, we do volume, density, and different types of matter.
With more science, here's Luke.
This week in science, we have been studying density and many other stuff. Now, we've done also all these experiments, and there's oil on top of water with green food dye, and just 2 cups of water, then oil, and I think corn syrup and food coloring. There's another one. And here's another one. Oil, water on top of the oil. Like a tad of water that sank through the oil. Food dye and some corn syrup. Now, the reason this oil is on top of the food dye is because it has a lighter density, which means oil is like lighter and sits on top. Also, do you see those tiny particles down there? Yeah, let's go on top. Those tiny particles, that is food dye. That looks like mold down there. That's food dye right there. Except in oil, and it doesn't expand in oil. So that's a little bit of what we've been learning this week. Now, the bubbles are here because of the water. There's just a tad of water on here. Bubbles, food dye. These we just did yesterday. And this we've done a week. Water, oil, food dye, and corn syrup again. So this right here, this is sugar water basically. And here down is some mixed corn syrup with water. So this corn syrup is all dissolved and mixed with the water overnight. And that's mostly what we've been learning today.
Thanks, Luke. With math, this week, we did subtracting large numbers. And other techniques, here's Ava.
This week, we learned how to subtract large numbers. I will be showing you how to subtract 3,973 minus 1,245. Okay, so first, you can't do 3 minus 5. So you're going to borrow from the 7, and you're going to make that a 6. You're going to take the 3, and you're going to make it a 13. Then you're going to subtract 13 minus 5, which equals 6. Then you're going to subtract 6 minus 4, which equals 2. Then you're going to subtract 9 minus 2, which equals 6. Lastly, you're going to subtract 3 minus 1, which equals 2. That is your answer.
Join us next time for more.